Hong Kong authorities have begun clearing barricades at the main protest camp, after more than 2 months of pro-democracy demonstrations. The authorities had warned protesters to leave ahead of the operation at Admiralty Camp, but some vowed to stay. The number of protesters has fallen to a few hundred, from the tens of thousands who turned out in September. No clashes have been reported, but police say they will start to make arrests if any protesters remain. Police began building up their presence for what is being widely seen as the final act in the long-running protests at the Admiralty site during the early morning. Police officers started to clear the camp and dismantle tents after issuing orders for protesters to vacate the occupied area within 30 minutes or face arrest. After this half-an-hour, police will lock down the occupied area and set up a police cordon area. If anyone refuses to leave, police will take action to disperse or arrest, said Senior Police Officer Kok Pak Chung. Earlier in the morning, bailiffs read out a final warning to protesters shortly before workers, backed by police, moved in and began dismantling barricades in one section of the site, using box cutters to remove ties. The protesters want Beijing to allow free elections for the territory's next leader in 2017. China says everyone can vote, but a pro-Beijing committee will screen candidates.